Can Language Keyboard do-it-yourself, pretty popular app. Explode creativity with Cat Language. Cat Language do-it-yourself cat keyboard. Combine letters from the keyboard to get your own cat. You can create a cat from the letters in your name, which is the cat that symbolizes your name. Do-it-yourself cat language. So set as wallpaper, create funniest personalized wallpapers, personalized gifts. So pretty cool app. Yeah, so you can just create your own cat language with this app. And then you can just go and create the account. As you can see, there are ads in here. So then you can see in here. And yeah, here it is. And then yeah, you can then just super annoying ads. And then yeah, you can just go and create. And then here is the app in here. So that's how you can get started. Yeah, unfortunately, there are like literally too many ads. Like you decide if you want to try it out. It seems they just pushed out too many ads, and that's what it is.